Bullish Dogelon Mars Elon, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 0.000007282808 and $0.000001 by 2030. Market examiners accept Elon could reach 0.000005664406 by 2025. Bearish Dogelon Mars market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.00000129472215. Dogelon Mars Elon, presentation. Dogelon Mars Elon is one of a few Doge-themed crypto tokens accessible last year in 2021. The crypto's makers depict it as a fair general cash for individuals and an interplanetary money utilized by space colonizers. Dogelon Mars isn't just a cryptographic money yet, in addition a person in a comic series that is accessible for buy as non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Incidentally, you can get them with Ethereum. Despite the fact that this cryptographic money has a huge and energetic local area, there are various motivations to be careful about it. This digital money guide will uncover all that you really want to be aware of Dogelon Mars and its highlights. By the by, our essential spotlight will stay on the Dogelon Mars cost forecast from 2022 to 2030. What is Dogelon Mars? Dogelon is a blockchain-based environment used to create and uphold space projects. It is utilized for trading merchandise, making installments, and remunerating donors. Dogelon Mars was sent off on April 23, 2021, be that as it may, there's no data accessible about the symbolics maker. It likewise comes up short on white paper illustrating its main goal and targets. Tokenomics of Dogelon Mars environment. Dogelon Mars digital currency is known as Elon, and it is an ERC-20 token on the Ethereum blockchain that was sent off in April 2021. It's called Elon, and it's named after Elon Musk. He is an ally and financial backer in Dogecoin. It has great tokenomics, and Dogelon Mars is recorded on major decentralized trades with numerous symbolic matches. Poloniex offers the Elon USDT market pair. In such trades, a record can be opened utilizing a name or an email address. The Dogelon Mars digital currency has circulated around the web via online entertainment and acquired media consideration. Individuals have started putting resources into the token. In October, the cost of Dogelon Mars Elon expanded in excess of multiple times and gave a gigantic return. The organization then, at that point, rose to the 150th situation with regards to advertised capitalization. There was no token pre-sale on the grounds that it is a fair widespread digital currency. Subsequent to sending half of the coins to Vitalik Buterin, the excess portion of the tokens are secured the Uniswap liquidity pool as Elon and ETH matches, which will remain until the end of time. They likewise put 40 ETH in the liquidity pool, worth around $100,000 at that point. Dogelon Blemishes Group then annihilated the liquidity supplier tokens they got, keeping them from pulling out or gathering any of Uniswap's liquidity rewards, which will just build over the long run. The Dogelon Mars Group exhibited that they wouldn't commit a carpet pull, a crypto trick in which engineers siphon up the worth of their virtual cash, pull back however much they can, and dump the task by consuming the liquidity supplier tokens. The Dogelon Mars originators cannot do so in light of the fact that they consumed the tokens they got for keeping assets into the venture. Maybe that is the justification for why Dogelon Mars presents itself as an undertaking pointed toward fixing the harm done by cryptographic money tricksters. Dogelon Mars is at present worth $0.000001618419 United States dollars. Elon has moved 2.37% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $1,319,175. Dogelon Mars is at present position 199 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $88,955,910 United States dollars. Using the general strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Dogelon Mars Elon to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Dogelon Mars Elon market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Dogelon Mars Elon value forecast 2023. Dogelon Mars, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Elon cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 0.00000242760029. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal, averaging 0.000002265767 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon, given expected joint efforts and headways. Elon is supposed to have a base worth of 0.00000194208223. Dogelon Mars Elon, value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Dogelon Mars Elon cost forecast has a lot of space for extension because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives. We guess that the cost of Elon will before long outperform $0.000004046048. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Elon's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Elon will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.000032368038 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.00000356048442. Dogelon Mars Elon, value expectation 2025 on the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025. It could reach $0.00000566440670 and Elon might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Elon is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.00000517888861 and a low of $0.00000485520570 in 2025. Dogelon Mars Elon, value expectation 2026. Assuming that Dogelon Mars effectively supports market feeling among digital money lovers, the Elon coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Elon will be green in 2026. The Elon is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.00000728280886, with a base cost of $0.00000647360077 and a typical cost of $0.000006797288. Dogelon Mars Elon, value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Elon cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.0000084156 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.00000809200960